Hello friends, today I'll show you how to solve linear equations in 3 variables using matrices using Cramer's rule. First of all, we have our matrix equations 5x minus 6y plus 4z is equals to 15, 7x plus 4y minus 3z is equals to 19, 2x plus y plus 6z is equals to 46. Now, before starting, we make our matrices. Matrix A is the matrix of coefficients, the coefficients of x, y and z, and matrix X will be matrix of variables and matrix D will be matrix of constants. That is 15, 19 and 46. Now first of all we have to find out determinant of A, matrix A, that is coefficient matrix. To find out determinant of coefficient matrix, we will find out determinant of this matrix along with row first row. First element is 5. The position of 5 is in first row, first column. So 1 plus 1 is 2. It is an even number. So we'll give here a positive sign. After taking this, we will leave this column and this row. Remaining numbers are 4, minus 3 and 1, 6. We will find out determinant of 4, minus 3 and 1, 6. Now second element is minus 6. The position of this element is in first row, second column. 1 plus 2 is 3. It is an odd number, so we will give here minus sign, put here minus sign into this element, that is minus 6. Now if we delete this row in which minus 6 is present as well as this column in which minus 6 is present, we are left out with 7 minus 3 2 6. We will find out determinant of 7 minus 3 2 6. Now the last element of this row is 4. Now position of 4 is in first row, third column. So 1 plus 3 is 4. It is an even number, so the sign will be positive sign. This element as it is. Now if we consider this element, we have to leave this column and this row. What are the remaining elements? 7 4 2 1. We have to find out determinant of 7 4 2 1. Now rest is simple calculations. Now here it is 5. 4 into 6 is 24, minus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, minus of minus 6 is plus 6, 7 into 6 is 42, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, plus 4 as it is, 7 into 1 is 7, 2 into 4 is minus, we have to put minus sign in between, minus 8. Simplifying, it is equals to 2, minus of minus 3 is plus 3, minus of minus 6 is plus 6, 7 minus 8 is minus 1. 5 into 24 plus 3 is 27, 42 plus 6 is 48, plus of minus 4 is minus 4. 5 into 37 135, plus 6 into 48 is 288, minus 4. That is the value of determinant of A is 419. So friends, after finding out delta, which is determinant of matrix A, which is matrix of coefficients of x, y and z, we have to find out delta 1. I'll tell you what is delta 1. If you see this coefficient matrix, first column is 5, 2, 5, 7 and 2. We replace this 5, 7 and 2, that is first column, with constant matrix, that is 15, 19, 46. We remove this and in this place we will put this. We will get a matrix like this: 15, 19, 46, minus 6, 4, 1. We don't touch the remaining columns. We write this as it is. After this, we will find out the determinant of this matrix. That is a matrix which we get after replacing first column with constant matrix. So we will find out determinant along this row. first element is 15, positive sign, so it will be 15 into, we will remove this column and this row, remaining elements are 4, minus 3, 1, 6. We will find the determinant of 4, minus 3, 1 and 6. Next, minus 6. We know that we have to put minus sign before this. Minus of minus 6 into, if we remove this column and this row, 19 minus 3, 46 and 6 is remaining. We have to find out determinant of this, plus last element is 4. Remove this column and this row, we will get 19 1, 19 4, 46 1, 19 4, 46 1. Next thing is simplification. It is equals to 15 into 4 6 are 24 minus of 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, minus of minus 3 is plus 3, minus into minus is 6, plus 6, 19 6 are 114, minus of minus 3 into 46, which is plus 138, plus 4 into 19 ones are 19, minus 46 into 4 is 184. Further, after simplifying this, we will get 15 into 22, 114 plus 138 is 252, plus 4 into 165, it is 660. 15 27s are 405, 6 into 252, 15 12, 660 as it is. Adding these two, we will get 1917 minus 660. So after simplification, after all calculation, we get delta 1 as 1257. Now friends, after finding out delta 1, we have to find out delta 2. Now to find out delta 2, we have to replace second column of coefficient matrix A with constant matrix. That means we have to replace minus 6, 4, 1 with 15, 19 and 46 in matrix A, and we have to keep remaining columns as it is. So delta 2 will be determinant of matrix 5, 7, 2, 15. I am replacing it 15, 19 because this is our constant matrix, 46, and last column will be as it is of A, 4, minus 3, 6. Now we will find determinant along this row. First element is 5, so 5, because position of 5 is first row, first column, 1 plus 1 is even, plus sign into determinant of, if we are taking this element, so we will delete this column and this row. Remaining elements are 19 6, 19 minus 3, 46 6. Now second element of this row is 15. The position of this 15 is, it is in first row, second column, 1 plus 2. It is an odd number, so we have to put here a minus sign, 15. Now we are taking this element, we have to remove this whole column and this row. Remaining elements are 7 minus 3, 2, 6. So we have to find a determinant of 7 minus 3, 2, 6 plus, because the position of this element is first row, third column, 1 plus 3 is even number, so we have to put positive sign. 4 we have to delete this column, this row, remaining items are 7, 19 to 46. So it will be 4 into 7, 19 to 46. Next is 5 into determinant of this is 15 minus of 46 into 3 is minus 138 minus 15 into 7 6 is 42 minus of 2 into 3 is minus 6. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 4 into 7 into 46. 7 into 46 is 322 minus 2 into 19 is 38, which is once again is equal to simplifying. Just calculation we have to perform. This is 114 minus of minus, it will become plus 138 minus 15, 42 minus into minus plus 6 plus 4 into 322 minus 38 is 284. Okay, is equal to 5 into 252. 114 plus 38 is 252 minus 15 into 48 plus 4 into 46. Sorry, 4 into 284 is 6311. Once again is equals to 0 621 minus 720 plus 1136. Adding this two, we will get 6932 minus 720. Once again is equals to 6761. This is so friends, after finding out delta 2 we have to find out delta 3. For finding out delta 3, which matrix do we have to take? Now in matrix A, we will replace the third column, that is 4 minus 3 minus 6, with matrix D. That means we will remove this, and in this place we will write 15, 19 and 46. Remaining thing will be as it is, remaining columns will be as it is. So it will be 5 minus 6, 4, 7, sorry it is not 4, it is 15, 7, 4, 19, 2, 1, 46. Determinant of this matrix. So once again we will find out determinant with respect to this column, sorry, with respect to this row. First element is 5 as it is. Next, if we remove this and this, we are left with 4, 19, 146. Determinant minus of minus 6 into this and this, we will remove 7, 19 to 46. This is determinant, not matrix, plus 15 into determinant, 7, 4, 2, 1. It will be once again is equals to 5 into 4 into 46 minus 19 into 1 is 19, minus of minus plus 6, 7 into 46 minus 19 into 2 is 38 plus 15 into 7 minus 4 to the 8. If we once again simplify this, it will be 5 into 4 into 46 is 184 minus 19 plus 6 into 7 into 46 is 322 minus 2 into 9 38 plus 15 into 7 minus 8 is minus 1, which is once again is equals to 5 into, this is 5 6 1 165 plus 6 into 482 minus plus into minus will become minus, 15 1 the 15, 5 2 8 plus 4 0 171 minus 15. If we add these two, we will get 25 29 minus 15, which is once again is equals to 2514. So delta 3 is equals to 2514. Now x will be equal to delta 1 by delta, y will be equal to delta 2 by delta, and z will be equal to delta 3 by delta. Delta 1, delta is 419 and delta 1 is 1257. So 1257 divided by 419, 1s are 3s are, it is equals to 3. X is equals to 3. Therefore x is equals to 1257 by 419, which is 3. After dividing we will get 3. Y is equals to 1676 divided by 419, which is 4. And z is equal to delta 3 by delta, which is 2514 by 419, which is 6. Therefore x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4, and z is equal to 6 is the solution for these linear equations. If you substitute x value, y value and z value here, you will get 15 here, and here 19, and here you will get 46.